Hi, this is Maria from Maria's Garden. How everybody doing, my friends? Today's video is about recycling again. Can you believe that? I said so many ideas. I don't know. I see things maybe some other people don't see. Like I can see something in the garbage and I can see, oh, this has potential to do something with. So these chairs, these are chairs. These chairs. They are, they put my glass over here. They are very, very, very heavy. Heavy, dirty, heavy chairs. I mean, each one must weigh like 20 pounds or something. They're iron, they're solid. Okay? So, nobody wants them. Why? Because they're too heavy and too heavy and too. But I love them for my garden. I have ideas saying, what I can do with a chair? I can make a planter for my plants. So I have this fencing from Tractor Supplies. This fencing that my friend gave me a big piece of fencing. So I figured this is very, very heavy dirty. You can put 40-50 pounds in here. This is not a lightweight one. This is very, very heavy, like for cows, maybe horses or something like that. It's fencing, so from Tractor Supply. So what I come up with this idea. Has back and front. This is the front and this is the back. So I come up with this idea to go like this, just like this, and put this corner over here, okay? Put the corner right over here. And then I have these little pieces of wire already cut, just wire to hold in place. So hold it here in place, very quick like this. So this is what you can do, okay? Look how simple it is. And the ladies can do this. You don't need your husband. If he's busy doing something else, you can do it. Just go like this, and this is gonna hold it in place, okay? That'll help you have a little more. There's a little hole here, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this one over here, okay? This is temporary only to cut it. Okay, there you go. So now I'm gonna make sure it's on top of here, and it's nice in the corner, and it's all the way down here. Okay, when it's all the way down here, it's so easy to cut. You don't have no idea. So just put it there, hold it like that, and what you do, you're gonna have a nice chair, a nice garden bench. So what you need to wear pants for sure. You need to wear boots. And a long sleeve blouse or something, and glasses, because if I don't wear glasses I'm gonna get in trouble with you guys. I think I know. So wear your glasses. Also, that's the only gloves I have, so I'm gonna wear this. Okay, I wear these gloves just not to get the they don't match anything, but I don't care because I had these gloves for a long time, and it's cooling here today. It's like 60. I'm freezing. Okay, anyway, so you need your grinder. So if you're gonna use your grinder, I learned from my husband, you have to have control of the grinder. Means control. If you cannot have control of the grinder, don't use it. So I'm gonna take my glove because I have to have control of this. The glasses are slippery. I need different type of glass. So the only reason he let me use his tools because he trusts me now. This is very dangerous. It slips, can cut you up. So you cannot have control, totally control of this. Don't use it. So what we're gonna do here, I'm gonna put my feet here for support, and I'm gonna start cutting. So So I'm gonna cut it. Okay. So over here. Okay. You see how easy it is? chair. Okay, now you have all this chair, and we got all these pieces over here. They're still hot. We got all these pieces. Now, what I gotta do is it's two things you can do. You can get wire and make it very nice and neat in the corners. Attach it very cute in the bottom where nobody can see. Make a nice little knot in here with the pliers, and then cut it. Or you can weld it. Somebody knows they can weld it, like I do have a friend that welds. You can just make a nice over here. Okay, I'm gonna make sure it's over here, and just put it right here. Take it down, and then you just touch it over here and make a knot, very good knot. Push it down, and then you just go back and cut all the excess. And then the next thing you're gonna do is you're going to use. I'm sorry, it's very windy in here. If you have a hard time, listen to me sewing. It's like 30 or something. So it's very important to use Rust-Oleum because, and then you spray it. Oops, let's go here. Excuse me. You spray it, and the next thing you have a nice little bench for your babies. Paint it white, paint any color you want, and this is nice. Look at that. You can put all your babies there. You can put all your babies there, and then you have a chair for your babies. See that? And then they will drain good. They will have good drain, and you don't have to worry about they're gonna hold water or anything. Okay? So I still gotta do this one but the same way. And this was a table. Okay? This was a table. And what I did with that, I did the same thing. I cut a piece. Oops, let me put my babies here. Oops. Take them down. Over here. So this was a table. And what happened, the top got, was like a tile table, maybe from China or something like that. The quality was not good. It was beautiful, but was not good. So eventually it fell down. So what I did, I put this piece over here. I have my friend had to weld this together, and now I have a table. And also, other good thing about this piece is you can fold it. See that? You can fold this, put it away. So I have a table there. Other idea that I come out with is this. Put my babies here. Babies over here. The babies are very important to me, that they don't get damaged. So this was a table, okay? A table with a piece of glass on top. So I had like 20 of these pieces. They are metal wall hangings, okay? Like a metal wall hangings, either indoor or outdoor. They were black. So what I did, I just put it in top and attach it with a wire, and I send it to my friend Harold, and he welded them. So now I have a beautiful table, outdoor table, I can use for all my little babies. You see? You can put all your little babies there, because your babies need they need places to stand. See how cute? Look at that. It's that sweet. Oh, and then you can put your desert roses there. You can put more little flowers in here, and there you go. Look at that. And you have a table full of babies. So I just want to show you the recycling is very easy and very fun. It's a lot of fun. Look at this. I'm gonna paint this white, and there is a chair. It's gonna last me 10 times more than the wood from the wood. In Florida, the wood doesn't last. If you live in a state where it's raining, rains a lot, good luck with the wood. The wood doesn't last. So if you see anything like wood, I don't like this, or metal anywhere that people throw now, everything has a potential. Like this has a potential. Easy. Look at that. Is that cute or what? And it's not even painted yet. So I'm gonna cut this one, and most likely I'm gonna send them to my friend Harold to weld them, because then they're solid nice and I can use them. You can put them together like this, And then you can put this little table in the front or in the center with baby. You can put this little table here, and you have all your babies together. It's like like this, and then you can just fix them up different, like tall back. Okay, and then there you go. You have your babies there. And you have two little chairs there, and they're happy sitting there. Until next time from Maria's Garden, and thank you for all your support and everything, and I appreciate everything, and there's a lot of ideas coming. I have so many ideas, I don't know how they just come to my head. Like this one, I love this table. Such a practical table with plants, and the patio in the front, your water, you don't have to worry about holding water or anything because the water's gonna go down and your babies are happy. Bye bye, until next time from Maria's Garden. Bye bye, bye bye.